Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to add marker to videos on Filmora. So, if you are working on groups or team, and you want your friend edit the project, but don't know how to explain what should he do, so you're gonna need to put markers on the project and he can easily edit the project. To add a marker, click the marker button here. Here it is the marker. To edit the marker, double click on it. You can name it, insert a description and also change the color of the marker. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.